This is the Logitech G102 Lightsync. I got it for around €2 or $3. The price reflects the condition perfectly. This model gaming mouse is incredibly light, cheap, and has an amazing RGB. Fortunately, this example is covered in scratches and dust. The left click button double clicks as well. Believe it or not, this mouse is supposed to have a matte finish, however the years of hard work has turned the surface glossy. I have the same mouse, and even if it's not perfect, you can clearly see the difference. The bottom of the mouse also looks destroyed. None of the feet are present. I will start by lifting the sticker on the bottom. I will lift it just enough so I can reach the screw underneath. To remove the front screws, I have to clean what's left of the feet. And we're in. Unfortunately, the inside does not look amazing. That's the button we are going to work on. To take the board out, I have to remove 5 screws. The board with the side buttons goes out first. Then the big board comes out. I'll start with some IPA and a toothbrush. Looking at the top shell, it consists of 5 pieces. I will also remove the side plastic buttons. I decided to clean them separately since I'm already here. That's why you always want to take apart and clean everything you can. I've never seen such a thick layer of gamer goo. Now let's get straight to the double clicking problem. And of course the cap flies out and I lose the white plastic bit inside. My goal now is to clean the contact points. After an hour of searching, I finally found a white piece, and that's how the cap looks like. I will now remove the metal bit. If you're doing this, remember the exact direction and position of that bit. I'm trying my best not to bend it here. I will now clean the bit. I have like half an hour of footage trying to put it in place. In this moment, I just had to push the middle and it was gonna go into place. But I didn't want to bend it, so I took my time and did it off camera. And that's how it should look like. It's surprisingly hard to put the cap on the button. I had to use some IPA, so the plastic bits don't fall off when I'm placing it. Now it's clean and probably working right. Now, for the left and right click buttons. It is possible to bring back the matte finish, but I will surely polish them. I polished the left click button, but I have to use the sandpaper to remove more scratches. I'm using P2000 sandpaper. I still had some left from the Steel series video. If you like the matte finish, you can get it like this, of course with a little more sanding. I polished the middle button and now I want the others to match it. Unfortunately my polishing machine died, and while I'm waiting for it to charge, I will do some IPA cleaning. And one of them is done. I really like the shine, and I would say they look way better than before. I also polished the middle part, and I just noticed my thumbnail was also polished in the process. After everything is clean and shiny, I can start to assemble. I would say everything looks pretty good together. Side buttons also in place, I polished them so they are not left behind. Before putting everything in place, I always check if the repair is successful. In this case I tested the problematic button and it was not double clicking anymore. I will install new feet, they are not costly. And that's how it looks. To be honest, I'm pretty happy with the final result. This mouse may not be perfect because it wasn't bought from the store, it was saved. And actually, that is what makes it more special and unique for me. Thank you for watching.